There's lots to look at, but I think something that I'm noticing straight away isn't something that I'm not seeing, it's something that I'm feeling. And it's the air. It's fresh. You haven't got any air conditioning in here. I can see ceiling fans, which are a new addition, but the airflow coming through from this elevated position. I remember coming here, you and I were sitting out there bathing our feet in a little pool with flamingos. And it was perfect. I could have stayed. But now the airflow in here, it feels comfortable, it suits the architecture, and obviously the fan there is really pushing that around, so it instantly changes how the space feels, not only how it looks.
I've got one air conditioner in the whole house, which is in the master bedroom, but it's just been amazing. I haven't needed the air conditioning though nearly as much. I would have had it going for months at a time over the summer. And with the fan, I've only had it on, a couple of times a week.
I've noticed already that you've got them throughout the house. So you've put them in the living area.
Yes.
All the bedrooms?
All the bedrooms and the deck. There's one on the deck for those days where there is no breeze.
Apart from all of that, I think it's actually a great looking design as well. It somehow seems to suit that mid-century modern aesthetic, don't you think?
Absolutely. That was one thing I noticed when I walked in. Fans don't have to be a main feature of a room, but they've still got purpose and need to look great in the space. And this one looks amazing.
It does. Paul and I had a bit of trouble sort of deciding. They're quite a range to choose from. We went with the eco style from Fanco, and I think they're just beautiful. They're, as well as functional. Like, I love the function, but even when they're off, they just look really nice. They blend beautifully with the house. So happy with them.